All right, if you're looking at getting this 6-in-1 hedge trimmer and chainsaw, it comes with the long pole here from BuyJoy. Let me show you everything it comes with. Take a look at everything and show you just how well it works. This right here is everything that it comes with. You do get the long telescopic pole. You get the chainsaw. This is a 6-inch mini chainsaw. So you could see it's not real big. This is for small jobs. Show you how well this one works in a minute. This is a grass trimmer right here. We'll take a look at that. And then this is the blade here for the hedge trimmer. So again, this one's a little bit bigger, maybe 9 inches or so. So you can trim your different bushes and things like that. Batteries go on real nice and easy. One thing I do like about this, if you press the button here, it will not work until you press this button in along with it. Once I do that, I press that in, it works right away. I do like the little guard that it has here on top. This one has the same thing. It has a little button that you have to push in before you pull the button down here. And this one is ambidextrous. There's one on each side. And you can see that works very well. So let's show you it in use. All right, so even though it is winter time here, I'm still going to show you how well this works. I'm going to trim some branches back here, and then I'm going to trim some of this bush back here with the hedge trimmer. So here you go. All right, first I'm going to be using this as the handheld version of this. Again, this is only a 6-inch blade. It's only meant to go through small, thinner branches. Let's see how well it works. All right, let's put it on the pole. You can easily expand the pole. So you can see it works very well, and I only expanded it a little bit. This thing can go up to 15 feet. This works pretty well. You can see that was actually pretty thick branch. Well, there you go. You saw it in action. Again, this is a small chainsaw. You're not going to be doing really huge jobs with it, but for small branches and things like that, it seemed to work very well for me, along with the hedge trimmer. Unfortunately, with all the snow and stuff out there, I can't show the grass trimmer, but I can't wait to use that in the summer.